Welcome back to Grow Your Own Food, a beginner's guide to sustainable gardening. If you're just getting started, the first big question is, how should you grow your food? There's no one-size-fits-all answer, and that's the beauty of it. Let's explore the 4 most common growing methods, so you can choose the one that works best for your space, lifestyle, and goals. First, traditional soil gardening. This is the most natural and time-tested method. You plant directly into the ground. It's affordable, simple, and requires minimal setup. But it depends on one major thing: soil quality. If your soil is healthy and full of life, it can grow almost anything. But if it's compacted, depleted, or contaminated, you'll face constant struggles. Soil gardening also requires regular weeding. And pest control can be a challenge without chemicals, though there are great organic options available. Still, for those with space and patience, this is a rewarding and grounding way to grow. Next, raised bed gardening. Raised beds solve a lot of the problems found in in-ground soil gardening. They give you complete control over your growing medium, meaning you can start with high-quality soil even if your yard is full of clay or sand. They also warm up earlier in the spring and drain better after rain. And because they're elevated, they're easier on your back and less prone to weeds and pests. You can build raised beds from wood, metal, or repurposed materials. And you can size them to fit even small yards or patios. This method is perfect for beginners who want a low-maintenance, high-yield option. Third, hydroponics. Hydroponics means growing plants without soil. Instead, roots are suspended in water, which is enriched with all the nutrients plants need. It sounds high-tech, and it can be. But there are also simple DIY systems that work on a windowsill or balcony. Hydroponics is incredibly efficient. Plants grow faster, use less water, and you can grow year-round indoors with lights. But there is a learning curve. You'll need to monitor water quality, nutrient levels, and pH. Still, if you're short on space and love the idea of growing lettuce in your kitchen, hydroponics might be your perfect match. Finally, aquaponics. Aquaponics is where hydroponics meets fish farming. Fish produce waste that becomes food for the plants, and the plants clean the water for the fish. It's a beautiful closed-loop system. With aquaponics, you're not just growing vegetables. You're also raising fish, like tilapia or trout. This method requires a bit more setup and balancing, especially in the beginning. But once it's running, it's highly sustainable, space-efficient, and produces both protein and produce. It's an amazing option for those who want to take food production to the next level, even in a small footprint. So which method is right for you? Here's a quick recap. Use traditional soil gardening if you have good ground and want to keep things simple. Choose raised beds if you want better soil control and easier maintenance. Try hydroponics if space is limited and you're ready to experiment. Go for aquaponics if you're looking for a sustainable system that includes fish. In future episodes, we'll go deeper into each of these methods, showing you exactly how to build and maintain them, step by step. No matter where you're starting from, there's a way for you to grow food and thrive doing it. Thanks for watching Securing Our Food. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.